Welcome everyone. Today we're turning fresh pineapple into something incredibly tasty.
Look at that fresh fruit peel. Always peel slowly so you keep every bit of that juicy goodness.
These perfect slices will dry evenly and lock in all that tropical flavor.
Spacing them out like this lets the air flow around every piece.
Just a little sweetness and spice to make these absolutely irresistible.
Lay them flat so they dry nice and evenly.
Now we let the magic happen.
This slow drying keeps all the natural sweetness right where it belongs.
See that color? That's flavor getting concentrated.
Timing is everything when it comes to perfect dried fruit.
Those last bits of moisture are slowly disappearing.
That's exactly what we're looking for.
Each tray tells a different part of the story.
A little coconut gives it a tropical twist.
Presentation makes everything taste even better.
This snack is simple, healthy, and packed with flavor.
Look at that texture half, perfectly dried and chewy. Pair it with a warm drink, and you've got a perfect moment.
Even just drying in the air gives it a beautiful look.
Seal it up to keep everything fresh.
Natural air and sunlight add their own touch.
These little bites add amazing flavor to any dish.
Sweet, creamy, and perfectly balanced.
Now that's a snack you can take anywhere.
Every bite has just the right amount of sweetness.
Keeping everything organized makes your kitchen feel just as good as your food tastes.
Now let's turn this into a beautiful dessert.
That touch of mint brings freshness to every bite.
Proper storage keeps your dried pineapple tasting perfect for weeks.
This is where flavor meets beauty. That juice right there is pure tropical gold.
This blend adds a whole new layer of flavor.
Every spice plays its part in this recipe.
Just enough to make them pop.
Everything ready for another perfect batch.
Dialing in the heat makes all the difference.
Good things take patience, and this is worth it.
That golden color means rich, sweet flavor.
Slow and steady gives us perfect results.
Yep, that's exactly how it should taste.
Look at all this goodness, ready to enjoy. This classic combo never fails.
Breakfast just got a tropical upgrade.
A spread like this makes every morning better.
Warm, sweet, and comforting.
Follow these times and you'll get perfect results every time.
Nature and flavor coming together. These make great gifts for anyone.
Simple, beautiful, and delicious.
And just like that, it's ready to give.
Nothing beats starting with fresh fruit straight from nature. This is where great flavor is born. Every detail here tells a story of freshness.
Inside. That's one perfectly ripe pineapple.
A clean cut keeps all the flavor inside. Fresh and juicy, just how we want it.
Let's take this goodness inside.
Everything ready for another amazing batch.
Even the outside shows how special this fruit is.
Did you know pineapples are technically a collection of berries? Pineapple isn't just tasty, it's packed with natural goodness.
A simple snack can look like art.
Sweet and creamy is always a winning combo.
Now that's a perfect bite.
That looks absolutely amazing.
Perfect for sharing with friends.
Just a touch of natural sweetness.
This pineapple is loaded with vitamin C, boosts immunity, and aids digestion.
Yeah.
These snacks are tasty and good for you too.
Every piece is packed with flavor.
Let's take this goodness on the go.
Fresh air makes everything taste even better.
Go ahead, give it a try.
Thanks for joining me today. Au revoir.
Every great snack leaves a little memory behind.
A simple treat, beautifully done.
Enjoy every bite, and I'll see you next time.